Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Trading with Tyler. I just would like to give simply some ideas um, for each kind of asset that you're looking to trade in this 2023. This year is a new year, and I just want to start with AVAX. And I just want to give you ideas and ways to find out of trading assets in particular. Okay, so here we have a blank AVAX chart here. This is AVAX. This is AVAX's oldest historical chart. It is on Binance, and so we're here on the weekly. But I just want to give a time frame of the daily. Okay, and I just want to step back here a moment and show you this range that we've been in here for quite this downtrend we've been in with AVAX. And going on a well-respected downtrend, and you're going to find this with many altcoins. Okay, you will. It's not very hard to find this. Okay, so 3 simple clicks help you evaluate this range, and you can see here where we bounced from. We could have taken shorts from. Take this along here, and what I'm seeing is that I'm seeing, with us not having fully evaluated the middle of this channel yet, because we also had this period where we tried to break through, but instead it did break through, but it did not come down all the way to the bottom until it was right here. Well, a lot of that has to do with the horizontal levels, and if I may just, there's a couple of hidden horizontal levels that maybe you guys aren't aware of for the time being, because to find these you have to evaluate these over here at our history, and you can see we had the weekly level right here, and it has been as you can see, this one weekly level right here that we have bounced from 2 weeks in a row now as respected, and we have this daily level below. Going to the daily chart, we can see that we have a daily level. Okay, and multiple daily levels here. Oops, I'm sorry. Here's our next daily level here. Another daily level here. This is actually a weekly level down there. It's $2. Let's just hope AVAX never gets to $2. But I just want to show you this downtrend we've been on, and we can move on to all other coins here as well. We can just evaluate all these coins, and I would even be looking to get rid of. Really would like to get rid of most of this to show you guys, but I'm not going to run my charts. Why don't we take a look at APE? Okay, let's just go ahead and take a look at APE. Or a big one is Solana right now. Everyone is talking about Solana. It's been quite the craze here, and so I guess I have a little bit of my analysis already done on this so far. But I just kind of want to show what this range pull looks like here on Solana. I'm showing the point of control right here. This $14.11. The value area high, this at $15.24. So if we were to take a fib pull here, so why don't we go ahead? I want to show you this. This range stays relatively the same. The closer we get down to it, it's exactly the same. So the further back that we go, the better. It just shows that even more time is gone where we stay at this level. I just wanted to show a fib pull. Now you see the price is on this uptrend right here. And it's going to be trying to break this market structure here. And granted, the market structure break essentially occurs right here at this value area high. Okay, so if we were to take this fib pull, we're just going to start from the top of this, from this peak, and go down the bottom. Okay, And we're going to use our full fib templates with the 0.5 for full fib confluence. Okay, and then I'm just going to go on down to the next one. Okay. So I'd like to show this in real time. Okay. Can be a bit tedious. Alright, you see we have some overlap right here. Granted, it's not where I believe we are. Come on, just further, a little bit further out. And so we have that one there. So we have our next big daily one at this level here. Alright. Now we're seeing some overlap here. Quite a bit. This one lines with quite heavily overlapped. Then we get down to this one here, where I believe you guys will see the most overlap we have. We have every single one of these aligning. We have the one aligned with the 618. We have the 886 with the 0.5. We have 786 essentially. I always say within 2% is confluence. So confluent there as well. The 66 and the 0.5 are aligned. The 618 and the 382 are aligned. The 0.5 and the 382 are aligned here. The 382 and the 236. And even so, this is about as confluent as you're going to get, and this is why I believe this is likely to be where, if we were to get rid of all of this, where our recent one is, you can see where it has respect to the price action quite a bit. Okay, now, oh my, I should get a little bit more on. I apologize. There we are. If we have doubts about this, so if we just need to go directly to that and know that 7.96 was our bottom, you can come right here, just double click into that number and we are directly on the money. Okay, so with that said, look at the point of control right here where we've rejected from, and I'm not sure. So this was done within the last 12 hours. Essentially, yeah, so well, technically 12 hours, yes. So 6 and 6. So this roughly happened around, let's see when exactly this was. This rejection through so we went right through the 618, and I believe it was front run. I believe there's still probably further upside to go on it. I believe the 786 level could be a level that we'll be looking at, to be honest. And I think possibly the real level could be something like this. Let's see. I believe it's something along, there. I don't know why this is not perfect. So, 96, there we go. Forgive me. Okay. So I believe it's something along the 70. Like I said to you, altcoins are really, really loving the 786. They do. They love it. I don't know any other way to put it. They just do. I believe we could technically be looking at something like this, personally. Or the 618 is also represented within 2%, 1.49% away. So I think that this looks correct, but I think we could go through this and still possibly see the 786 hit. Or I could see this being the top as well, this value area high. Or we're at the top right now. You know, I have been away from the charts for the last 2 days. I apologize. New Year's did get the best of me. So this is Solana. So essentially we have an issue where we've already maybe topped out. Who knows? I don't know. This is a game of probabilities. So we could say either $14 was it, or in my opinion, we come up higher to the 786. Which I'll just put that number on for us right here so we can all see the price. $15.65 could be the top. Or, we really could even see this be, here's something else, You have to look at all these levels through here. The only untapped daily level we have is right here at $17.65. So what would this look like here, or even technically here? This could be something as well, because I can see the 618 right here. I could see maybe, even though we would have our daily level here, that is, an untapped. How far away would this, I wonder. That would be a little bit of a stretch. I would like to see on the 4-hour, if we have, so we have this top here, but I wonder what this impulsive candle could look like. Right there. Oh, I would be keen to believe, maybe to ignore that data level for now. Don't see a whole lot of confluence with it. I really don't. So I'm keen. I'm putting my thoughts out into the world. I'm just thinking that this is probably either we come up to where we were before. We're here on the, so I believe either this maybe $14 is it, or we still come through this and we still have the value area high, and that would be at $15.25, give or take, or 15, or maybe he wants to see it all the way through to the 786 at $15.65. And then even then we're not sure. We're essentially catching the knife backwards. We're guessing where it will go. I personally would probably look to get into a long after the break of this point. If we broke this point of control, clearly we would have some upside. In my honest opinion, I think at least 6% till the value area high here. So many things we can do here, But yeah, just wanted to make a video for the new year, and that's it.